Today, we're diving deep into the US Bank Secured Card Credit. Okay. So, the truth about this card is that this card is all about building or rebuilding credit. You put down a refundable security deposit, which sets your credit limit for you. Moving on, this card has no rewards program, but it reports to all three major credit bureaus. So over time, responsible use can help you qualify for unsecured cards, where US Bank may also upgrade you after a period of on-time payments. You can go ahead and make your credit score much better with zero fraud liability, $0 on the annual fee, and start with a deposit of $300 to $5,000. So the credit building in this case is going to be incredible, and I feel like it's a great card to increase your score and get good work out of it. Okay, so there's no annual fee on this, and the card is ideal if you want to maximize rewards in one area of spending while still earning a baseline on everything else. It's especially powerful for existing US Bank customers.